Chapter 2, ninth class, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.3, 7th question. Find the remainder when f of x equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x equals to x minus 2, and verify the result by actual division. In this problem, there are two methods. First of all, we can find this polynomial by using this g of x, and that after that you can do the actual division, isn't it? So solution, what is given? F of x is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. Next, g of x is equals to x minus 2 is given, isn't it? Now see, in this f of x there is no x cube and x term, so that's why we can rewrite this f of x once again. See here, what is f of x actually? F of x is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. This can be rewrite as f of x is equals to x power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3 x square next plus 0x plus 4, isn't it? Take this equation 1. Next, g of x is equals to x minus 2 is given. Take this equation 2. Put g of x is equals to 0 into, that means 0 is equals to x minus 2. Send this to that side. That means x is equals to 2. X equals to 2. Now, by using synthetic division, see here. So, what is the first coefficient? X power 4 means 1. Second coefficient x cube not there, 0. 0 is there, 0. Third coefficient minus 3. Fourth coefficient x coefficient not there, so 0. Constant is 4. So this 2 is there, this 2 take here. By using synthetic division method, now bring this one as it is. 2 ones are 2. Add these two. 0 plus 2 becomes 2. 2 twos are 4. Write 4 here. Add these two. 4 minus 3 becomes plus 1. 2 ones are 2. Add these two. This became plus 2. 2 twos are 4. Add these two. 8. What is this? This is the remainder. Understand all of you? This is the remainder. This is by using synthetic division method we got. This is coefficient and this is the divisor. This is the remainder. By using actual division method we can find. By using which division? Actual division. Why? We are doing the verification. What is given? G of x is x minus 2, isn't it? Now take here, see. Next, f of x is what is given actually. See here, x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. What is given? X power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. This is given. So this is the actual division process. See here, x is there. We need to take x cube. Why? Here we want x power 4. X into x cube, that becomes x power 4, isn't it? This minus 2 into this cube, that means minus 2x cube, isn't it? Minus 2x cube. Now change the signs, minus plus. Now this became cancel. Now here is plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4, isn't it? Now see, next we want 2x cube. So just plus put 2x. Now x into 2x, that means x square, take 2x square. X into 2x square becomes 2x cube. Next, this minus 2 into this. Minus into plus became minus 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. 4 what? X square. Now, see, change the sign. Here minus, here plus. Isn't it? Now, this is cancel. What is left? Only x square. Next, plus 4 is left. Now, what we want here? X square. Isn't it? We want x square. Now, take here plus 2x. We want 2x. No, sorry, x only. So, x into x became x square. X into x became x square. Next, minus 2 into x, that becomes minus 2x. By change the sign, plus this became cancel. Now this minus becomes plus 2x plus 4, isn't it? Next, we want 2x, means just take here plus 2. See here, x into 2, that means 2x minus 2 plus 2 becomes minus 2 to the what? 4. See here, this already we done. Here sign should be changes. Here is minus, minus should be comes to plus. So plus minus cancel, and plus 4 becomes 8. And here in the verification also we got the remainder is same, that means 8. And in the synthetic division method also we got the remainder is same. So both answers are same. So this is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. 8. Find a remainder when p of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x equals to 1 minus 2x, and verify the result by long division method. Actual division method, long division method, both are same. Remember, don't forget, as per the solution, what is given? P of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3, and what is given? G of x is equals to 1 minus 2x is given. Now put g of x is equals to 0 here, that becomes 1 minus 2x is equals to 0. Send this one that side, that becomes x minus 2x is equals to minus 1, isn't it? Both side minus minus cancels, isn't it? Now that becomes, then x is equals to 1 by 2. We got x value is how much? We got 1 by 2. By using these 1 by 2, by using these polynomial, we do the synthetic division method. By using synthetic division, so write this 1 by 2 like this. X cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is minus 6, x coefficient is 14, and next constant term is minus 3, isn't it? Bring down this 1 as it is, that becomes 1. 1 by 2 into 1, that becomes 1 by 2 here. See here, minus 6 plus 1 by 2, that means 2 is LCM, 2 6 are 12, that means minus 12 plus 1, that becomes minus 11 by 2. So here is minus 11 by 2. This 1 by 2 into minus 11 by 2, that becomes minus 11 by 4, isn't it? Now add these two, that becomes 14 minus 11 by 4. Here 4 is LCM, that means 14 into 4 minus 11 by 4. Now 4 4 ja 16, 6 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 is carry, that means 56 minus 11 by 4. That means here 6 minus 1 becomes 5 and 5 minus 1 becomes 4 by 4. We got 45 by 4. Right here 45 by 4. Now multiply these two. This becomes 45 by 2 into 4 becomes 8. Now LCM of these two, we got the final remainder here. So that means 45 by 8 minus 3, that is equals to 8 is LCM here. 8 45 minus 3 into 8. Now that is equals to 45 minus 3 8 John 24 by 8, that is equals to 5 minus 4 becomes 1, 4 minus 2 becomes 2, that means 21 by 8 is the remainder. What we got? 21 by 8. This is what? This is the remainder. Now by using actual division method we can verify this, isn't it? So what is 1 minus 2x? Polynomial p of x is given x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3, isn't it? By using actual division, now change this becomes, this can be written as minus 2x plus 1, isn't it? Now by using actual division method, minus 2x plus 1, see here, write this is x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3, isn't it? Now we need here x cube only, that means minus is gone, that means minus x square by 2. See here, this two cancel and minus minus cancels. Now multiply these two, that becomes, isn't it? These two cancel, numerator denominator, minus minus cancels. Now what we got? X into x square, that means x cube, isn't it? Now next this one multiply this, means that means minus x square by 2, isn't it? Now see here, change the symbols. Now cancel this becomes minus x square by 2 minus plus x square by 2 minus 6x square. Take the LCM here. So x square by 2 minus 6x square, that means 2 6 are 2 is LCM here. X square minus 2 6 are 12 x square. This becomes minus 11 x square by 2. What we got? Minus 11 x square by 2. Next write as it is 14x minus 3, isn't it? See here, now minus 11x square by 2. So we need here minus 11 x square by 2. That means what we have to do here, plus 11 x by 2. See here, my plus into minus minus, isn't it? Minus, and 2 cancels, so that's why 2 cancels, so that's why take here 4, isn't it? Now it becomes same, isn't it? Now minus, see here, this minus into plus becomes what? Minus. Next this 2 cancels 4 2 times, isn't it? So 11 by 2, and next this x into x became x square. Are you understood? Yes. This one multiplied this becomes plus 11x by 4. Now change the sign, plus this became minus, this is 0. Now see here, take the LCM of these two, isn't it? Now means 14x, here minus is there, 11x by 4, here 4 is LCM, 14 into 4 into 14x, 4 into 14x minus 11x by 4. 4 is LCM. So 14 4 ja 4 4 ja 16. 6 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 56. 56x minus 11x by 4. Now this becomes, see here, 1 means 5, 1 means 45. So 45x by 4. What we got? 45x by 4. Take that constant term as it is. Now what we need here? 45 by 4, isn't it? 45 by 4, but x only. So how much we need to take? Plus 45. So here take the numerator 45 as it is. 45 as it is. Take here minus. Minus into minus becomes plus here, isn't it? Now by here we need 4. Take here 8. See here, minus into minus becomes what? Plus. Now 2 by 8 means 4, isn't it? Now plus 45 by 4. What is there? Here is x, here is not there. Write x as it is. Now this into this constant term, that means minus 45 by 8. Now do the change the symbols. It's become minus, this became plus. Now cancel. What is left? This. So now take the LCM of those two. Plus 45 by 8 minus 3, isn't it? Here 8 is the LCM. Next 45 minus 3 into 8, that is equals to 45 minus 3 8s are how much? 24 by 8. Now that is equals to, see here, 121. See 21 by 8. So what we got finally? 21 by 8. So this is the remainder. So in actual division we got the remainder 21 by 8, and in synthetic division also we got the remainder 21 by 8, and both the answers are same. Understood all of you? Yes. Verification is also done. Thank you everyone.